All right, Coach. Congratulations on the win. A hard-fought win again, like last week's game.
Yeah.
So remember the mentality of the team. Coming out a win last week to come up here, play against a very good Montego Bay team, and fighting for another win.
Very good game. Montego Bay keeps improving each game. Watch the nil-all game they played against Caballeros last year. Much better than their first game. And again today they were much better, particularly in the first half. I think because we traveled down a little bit of time with our legs. We got here just probably half an hour before the game. And so we took a little bit longer to settle than we really would have liked. But once we got it settled again at the halftime in the second half and we started to get the rhythm and the tempo of the game, then we started scoring and made a safe margin. Excellent free kick for them to come back later in the game, but good game.
Right, Coach, you have the attacking talent, but the game was a bit too close considering the attacking talent that you have and the opportunities that you have, but didn't put away. Why was the game so close?
Yeah, I think a little bit unfortunate. Two of the calls when our strikers were clean on goal, the referee stopped in the second half, but that's the game. We weren't clinical early, and we kept them in the game when we had the 1-0 lead and should have really gotten better in the first half. That pass, we got them to focus on the way forward. They got it right. And then late in the game, when we got away from them and got away from them twice after that, unfortunately the calls didn't go away. But that's the game. We played without two of our regular starters, so we had changes in the back line, changes in the midfield, changes in the attack, and we worked through them in a difficult game. So we're all right. Everything not going to be perfect at this stage, so we take it one step at a time.
All right, again, Coach, a hard-fought win. Thank you, and all the best to the team for the second turn.
Yeah, man, congrats to the players. I think in the second half, the players lifted their game, their concentration, and the execution was better.
All right.